Okay, so this is the hair that we are going to work with. It's a 360, which means it has lace all around, so you could put it up in a ponytail. It's 24 inches. Is pineapple curls. So now I washed the hair already, well, cold washed. So now we're gonna, it came pre-plucked, but we're gonna pluck it a little bit. So yeah, it's like the baby hair and stuff. I don't want to bleach the knots. I'm just gonna use makeup. So yeah, it looks nice already. Yeah. So when my client get here, we're gonna decide if we're gonna do a middle part or a side part or like free part. It's 10 o'clock. My client's supposed to come at 11. I like to prep the hair before, you know, they come. You know, save time. That's why I washed the hair yesterday. Cold wash. Just shampoo. Conditioner. What am I saying? Ooh. Okay, so now we're gonna start off by prepping the hair. So now I'm using the Gorilla Snot. I don't want no hair in the way, so we're gonna push all back her baby hair and extra hair back, like a slick back. And after that, we're gonna get the cap. We're gonna turn it to a ball cap. So this is how we're gonna turn it to a ball cap. We're gonna get the Got To Be glue first. We're gonna put it all around the perimeter, and we're also gonna use the spray. Once that's done, we're gonna dry it up, and then we're gonna cut it up. So now we're gonna add a powder that's close to her skin tone. And if you see her eyebrows look weird, I'm in the middle of doing her eyebrows. I'm gonna do her makeup also. You are gonna see the end result. After that, I'm gonna get 91% alcohol and clean around it. So now I'm adding the Ghost Bond glue, and I actually applied it 3 times. And we're gonna let it dry. So she decided she wanted a side part. So we're gonna create the side part. We're gonna twist it out a little. Jesus, we're gonna twist it out a little bit, and we're gonna apply a little bit of makeup since we did not bleach the knots. So these are the products that I'll be styling the hair with. But of course, we're going to start off with water. We're going to drench the hair. You're going to put water in a spray bottle so it can be easy. So this is the final result. You guys, I killed that shit. This shit looks so nice and beautiful. Yo, y'all go ahead and comment down. Y'all give this video the thumbs up. Like this video. I did my thing. And if you in the Orlando area, you want to get your hair done, text me. Text me on Instagram, IG. Oh, this is something. Facebook. Or leave a comment down. And if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Subscribe because you are welcome to my channel, and also hit the notification button. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I enjoyed doing her hair. You could be next. I'll see you next time.